In this video I want to show you how you properly film yourself with only your mobile phone. Hello, my name is Fredrik. I'm a rapid video marketer. If you want to learn more how to create videos really fast with only your mobile phone and how to be really confident and comfortable in front of the camera, subscribe to my channel or visit rapidvideomarketer.com. Now, how do you film yourself properly with only your mobile phone? Right now, I'm just holding my mobile phone with this and I don't have an external mic. And let's start with light and sound in your environment. As you can hear now, it's quite quiet where I am, and that if you don't have a microphone, you need to have a quiet surrounding so people don't get disturbed when watching you, so they can hear you clearly. And also light. You see now I'm standing in the shadow here, and I mean, iPhone is a really good phone to film with, but if you walk out in the sun like this, you see that it's the camera needs to compensate for the lighting, and it can be sometimes hard to see it clearly. And if you're very unlucky, and if you stand with too much light on the back of you, you will be dark and people will not see you. So you need to have a quiet surrounding and you need to have a good lighting. And if you are inside, it's enough with good basic lighting in the room. And also don't stand in front of a window. If you have the window behind you, it will not look good. And the most cameras cannot compensate for that. Well, that's about it. And let's talk a little bit about the position of the camera. You see, right now I'm just holding the camera like this, and it's pretty good. Don't have the camera like this. It will not be a good way for your viewers to watch you. You need to be as they were standing in front of you in real life. So you need to have your camera like this, and maybe I have my arm just straightened out here, so maybe this is good. I see sometimes people are walking like this, and if you don't have like a gimbal or something to stabilize it, it will not be really that good. So I suggest you to stand still with a good basic lighting like this. Is it more to talk about? No, I don't think so. You should have a surrounding that is quiet, and you should have a great basic lighting if you're outside. Also, if you're outside and I forgot to say this, if you're outside and it's like a cloudy day, or it's partly cloudy and partly sunny, it can be sometimes annoying for the viewers to see that it's first sun and then it goes back to the cloud. It's no big deal, but try to find a day when it's sunny, or if it's just cloudy, or you are inside. Well, I hope that you have gotten a few tips now to make really great videos with only your mobile phone. If you want to learn more about this subject, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, or also visit my website rapidvideomarketer.com. I will teach you even more how to be a hero on screen and how to create videos really fast, so you can outcompete your competition and you can be the leader in your market eventually.